All right, so getting right at what I want to show you, which is how to download Power BI properly. All right, so first we go on Google and just search for download Power BI. All right, so we come here and we go on the first link, which is from powerbi.microsoft.com. We come to this page and here we see a section. So here we have two options, which is download and advanced download options. We go on advanced download options. Then we come to this page. Here we can select the language that we want Power BI in, and of course we want it in English. We click on download, and here we have two options. One is for 64 bits and one is for 32 bits. If your laptop or computer is of 64 bits, then you click on this one. If your laptop or computer is of 32 bits, then you click on this one. All right. And in case you don't know if your laptop or computer is of 32 or 64 bits, then what you do is, give me a second, let me change the sharing option. What you do is, you go on my computer, you go on properties, and directly here you can see system types, which is 64. My laptop is of 64 bits. And this is how you can also check your computer or laptop. All right, so mine is 64-bit. I'm gonna click on here and just click on next. It's gonna give us some seconds and then we can just simply download it. It's as simple as that. It's of 455 MBs and it will take as much time as your internet allows. And that is it. After that, you install the software just as any other software. Thank you.